Hi, I'm Rhiannon from BBQ Rotisseries, and today I'm going to show you how to cook up a pork belly on the S&S Kettle Barbecue using a kettle ring. We've just taken our pork belly out of the fridge, which was in there uncovered, lightly salted overnight. We find that helps us get that nice crispy crackling. Now, the trick to achieving that perfect crackling is to score the skin. Firstly, with a sharp knife, and secondly, using a Jaccard. So our skin's all prepared. What we're going to do is flip it over and apply the rub. Now, if you find, just like this pork belly, there's quite a bit of fat on the underside, you might want to get a knife and just trim it off. Now it's time to apply the rub. Today we're using Butchers Axe Ranger. Once you've applied the rub, just pat it in to make sure it all sticks. It's time to get it in the rotisserie basket. We're now just going to pop one final layer of salt on the outside to help us get that amazing crackle. Turn the motor off for a second. Listen to that crackling. Delicious. So our pork belly's been cooking now for a little over an hour. The crackling looks absolutely sublime. Let's check the internal temperature of the meat to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Now, the ideal temperature for me is 85 degrees Celsius. That way it's going to render down nicely and it's just going to absolutely melt in your mouth. Perfect, 85 and a half. Now the ultimate test, let's see how we went. Oh, listen to it. I'm so excited to cut into this. The moment of truth. So good.